In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and head to the project where you want to build the proposal. It's important to open the correct project first, because that keeps your proposal connected to the right client and all the related files in one place. Once you're inside the project, click Create File. From the available file options, select Proposal. This tells HoneyBook exactly what type of document you want to create and loads the tools designed specifically for proposals. Next, choose how you want to begin. You can select a proposal template if you want a faster setup and a more polished starting point, or you can start from a blank proposal if you'd rather build everything from scratch. Templates are helpful when you want structure, while a blank proposal gives you full flexibility. After that, enter the proposal title. Make sure the title is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. A simple, descriptive title will make the file easier to find later. Now it's time to add your proposal content. This is where you include the main information your client needs to read. As you write, aim for clear, organized language so the proposal is easy to understand and professional in tone. Once the content is in place, add the services you want included in the proposal. Then enter the pricing information for each service carefully. Take your time here, because accurate pricing is one of the most important parts of the document. Double-check that each service matches the correct amount. Next, review the client information. This helps confirm that the proposal is tied to the right recipient and reduces the chance of sending the file with incorrect details. If needed, customize the proposal design. This may include adjusting the look and feel so it aligns with your brand or matches the style you want to present. Even small design updates can help the proposal feel more polished and professional. After that, review all proposal details from top to bottom. Look over the title, content, services, pricing, and client information to make sure everything is complete and accurate. Then click Preview to review the proposal as it will appear. This is a great final check for formatting, readability, and overall presentation before saving. When everything looks good, save the proposal. Finally, verify that the proposal appears in the project files. That confirms it has been successfully created and stored in the correct place. Thanks for watching.